The High Court of Justice in London, known properly as Her Majesty's High Court of Justice in England, together with the Court of Appeal and the Crown Court, are the senior courts of England and Wales. Its name is abbreviated as EWHC for legal citation purposes. The High Court deals at first instance with all high-value and high-importance civil law cases, and also has a supervisory jurisdiction over all subordinate courts and tribunals, with a few statutory exceptions, though there are debates as to whether these exceptions are effective. The High Court consists of three divisions: the Queen's Bench Division, the Chancery Division, and the Family Division. Their jurisdictions overlap in some cases, and cases started in one division may be transferred by court order to another where appropriate. The differences of procedure in practice between divisions are partly historical, derived from the separate courts which were merged into the single High Court by the 19th century Judicature Acts, but are mainly driven by the usual nature of their work. For example, conflicting evidence of fact is quite commonly given in person in the Queen's Bench Division, but evidence by affidavit is more usual in the Chancery Division, which is primarily concerned with points of law. Most High Court proceedings are heard by a single judge, but certain kinds of proceedings, especially in the Queen's Bench Division, are assigned to a divisional court, a bench of two or more judges. Exceptionally, the court may sit with a jury, but in practice normally only in defamation cases or cases against the police. Litigants are normally represented by counsel but may be represented by solicitors qualified to hold a right of audience, or they may act in person. In principle, the High Court is bound by its own previous decisions, but there are conflicting authorities as to what extent this is so. Appeal from the High Court in civil matters normally lies to the Court of Appeal, and thence in cases of importance to the Supreme Court. In some cases, a leapfrog appeal may be made directly to the Supreme Court. In criminal matters, appeals from the Queen's Bench Divisional Court are made directly to the Supreme Court. The High Court is based at the Royal Courts of Justice on the Strand in the City of Westminster, London. It has district registries across England and Wales, and almost all High Court proceedings may be issued and heard at a district registry. The High Court of Justice was established in 1875 by the Supreme Court of Judicature Act 1873. The Act merged 8 existing English courts: the Court of Chancery, the Court of Queen's Bench, the Court of Common Pleas, the Court of Exchequer, the High Court of Admiralty, the Court of Probate, the Court for Divorce and Matrimonial Causes, and the London Court of Bankruptcy, into a new Supreme Court of Judicature. The new Supreme Court was divided into the Court of Appeal, which exercised appellate jurisdiction, and the High Court, which exercised original jurisdiction. Originally, the High Court consisted of 5 divisions: the King's Bench, Common Pleas, Exchequer, Chancery, and Probate, Divorce and Admiralty divisions. In 1880, the Common Pleas and Exchequer divisions were abolished, leaving 3 divisions. The Probate, Divorce and Admiralty Division was renamed to the Family Division by the Administration of Justice Act 1970, and its jurisdiction reorganized accordingly. The High Court is organized into 3 divisions: the Queen's Bench Division, the Chancery Division, and the Family Division. A list of hearings in the High Court's divisions is published daily. The Queen's Bench Division, or King's Bench Division when the monarch is male, has 2 roles. It hears a wide range of common law cases and also has special responsibility as a supervisory court. Until 2005, the head of the QBD was the Lord Chief Justice. The post of President of the Queen's Bench Division was created by the Constitutional Reform Act 2005, leaving the Lord Chief Justice as President of the Courts of England and Wales, Head of the Judiciary of England and Wales and Head of Criminal Justice. Sir Igor Judge was the first person to hold this office, appointed in October 2005. The Queen's Bench Division has supervisory jurisdiction over inferior courts, and its administrative court is generally the appropriate legal forum where the validity of official decisions may be challenged. Generally, unless specific appeal processes are provided, the validity of any decision of a government minister, Inferior court, tribunal, local authority or official body may be challenged by someone with sufficient interest by judicial review in the Administrative Court of the Queen's Bench Division. A single judge first decides whether the matter is fit to bring to the court, and if so, the matter is allowed to go forward to a full judicial review hearing with one or more judges. In addition, the Queen's Bench Divisional Court hears appeals on p.